The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, PRESTONE, TYNSONG, in a recent press briefing informed of the development as far as the relocation of residents of MAWLONG or Sweepers Colony is concerned. Terming the residents of MAWLONG as Harijans, PRESTONE TYNSONG informed that as per the petition of the Harijan committee in the High Court, it is evident that the residents of the colony are desirous of a discussion with the government of Meghalaya on their relocation to a designated location that has been decided by government authorities.
Through the petition in the Honorable High Court, they shown their keen interest to sit down, discuss with the government, and they also in the application pleaded through the Honorable High Court that the government should provide a place for relocation. But right now, I'll not be able to tell you in detail because most likely next week we will invite them for talk, for discussion. Yeah, see, we from day one itself, when we have that high-level committee, the terms of reference of that committee itself is relocation. The moment you mention about relocation means the government has to also provide a place, a space for shifting of that population we have as of today. So as I said to you, now I will not be able to tell you all the details. Let us meet first, and once the meeting is over, we will understand where and how we go.